How the 12 zodiac signs shape your life. Discover your astrological path. What is astrology? Astrology is a system that studies the relationship between the movements and positions of celestial bodies, such as planets and stars, and their influence on human affairs. Central to astrology is the zodiac, a circle of 12 signs, each representing a specific segment of the sky. These zodiac signs are believed to reflect personality traits, behaviors, and life event based on the alignment of the planets at the time of a person's birth. What is a horoscope? A horoscope is a forecast or prediction of a person's future based on the position of the planets, the sun, and the moon at a specific time, typically at their birth. Astrologers create horoscopes for individuals, which are meant to provide insight into their personality, relationships, and life events. These predictions are derived by analyzing the alignment of the planets and how they interact with the individual's zodiac sign. Horoscopes can be daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly, and offer guidance in areas such as career, love, health, and finances. People often refer to their sun sign horoscope, which is based on the position of the sun on their birthday. What are the 12 zodiac signs? The zodiac is divided into 12 signs, each linked to a constellation and representing a particular period of the year. Here are the 12 zodiac signs. First, Aries, the ram. Fire. Traits: bold, energetic, ambitious, and adventurous. Aries can also be impulsive, impatient, and quick-tempered, often wanting things to happen immediately. Their competitive nature drives them to succeed, but they may need to work on balancing their assertiveness with patience and consideration for others. Second, Taurus, the bull, earth. Traits: practical, reliable, patient, and grounded. Taurus individuals are practical, grounded, and value comfort and security. They are hardworking, loyal, and enjoy life's pleasures, often having a deep appreciation for beauty, art, and nature. Thirdly, Gemini, the twins. Air. Traits: curious, adaptable, communicative, and playful. Geminis are sociable, witty, and love learning new things. They have a natural ability to engage in conversation and are often seen as lively and intellectually sharp. Fourth, Cancer, the crab. Water. Traits: emotional, nurturing, protective, and intuitive. Cancers are deeply caring, empathetic, and protective of their loved ones. They are also homebodies who value security and comfort, often creating strong emotional bond. Fifth, Leo, the lion. Fire. Traits: charismatic, confident, generous, and passionate. Leos are naturally warm, generous, and love being the center of attention. They are ambitious and often inspire others with their enthusiasm and positive energy. 6. Virgo, the maiden. Earth. Traits: analytical, practical, meticulous, and detail-oriented. Virgos are hardworking, organized, and have a strong sense of duty. They excel in problem-solving and are often perfectionists who seek to improve everything around them. 7. Libra, the scales. Air. Traits: diplomatic, fair-minded, sociable, and peace-loving. Libras can be indecisive and people-pleasing, sometimes sacrificing their own needs to maintain peace. They may also be overly focused on appearances and external beauty. 8. Scorpio, the scorpion. Water. Traits: intense, resourceful, passionate, and secretive. Scorpios can be secretive, possessive, and at times jealous. Their intensity can lead them to be controlling, and they may struggle with trust, holding grudges when hurt. 9. Sagittarius, the archer. Fire. Traits: optimistic, adventurous, philosophical, and freedom-loving. Sagittarians are curious, open-minded, and eager to explore new ideas, cultures, and experiences. They have a strong desire for knowledge and often seek philosophical or spiritual understanding. 10. Capricorn, the goat. Earth. Traits: disciplined, ambitious, responsible, and practical. Capricorns are hardworking, responsible, and highly organized, often setting and achieving long-term goals. They value tradition and are known for their strong work ethic and determination. 11. Aquarius, the water bearer. Air. Traits: innovative, independent, humanitarian, and visionary. Aquarians are forward-thinking, original, and often drawn to progressive ideas and causes. They value freedom and individuality, making them unique and unconventional in their approach to life. 12. Pisces, the fish. Water. Traits: compassionate, artistic, intuitive, and empathetic. Pisceans are deeply empathetic and sensitive, often attuned to the emotions of others. They are imaginative and artistic, with a strong affinity for the arts, music, and spirituality. Astrology's role in understanding life. Astrology goes beyond simple sun sign horoscopes. It involves a complex system of planetary positions, known as a natal chart or birth chart, that takes into account not just the sun, but also the moon, planets, and their relationships to one another, called aspects. These are believed to provide deeper insight into one's personality and life path. Astrology has its roots in ancient cultures like Babylon, Egypt, Greece, and India, where celestial patterns were observed to determine events and predict future outcomes. Today, many people look to astrology for personal insight, guidance, and a sense of connection with the cosmos.
Please subscribe us